Here's a great idea for Valentine's Day. I've got some old glass jars that I've cleaned up, soaked the label off, and I'm going to transform them into a tea light holder and a vase. First off, I've drawn a heart shape onto a sticky label, and I'm going to stick it onto the glass jar as a template. I've stuck the stencils onto the jars. Now I'm going to use a couple of spray paints, as I love the effect of both. I'm going to start with silver metallic first. Obviously read the instructions before using, shake the pan for a minute. Firstly, it's a good idea to turn the jar upside down because then you get to all of the areas around the jar. And now I'm going to start spraying. Finish spraying and I'm going to let it dry for the recommended amount of time. A really good tip is to spray your item onto a piece of card, then you can move it easily without having to touch it. So now I'm going to move on to the glass vase and I'm using the frosting. I'm just going to start spraying. So now they're completely dry, I'm going to peel off the heart sticker. They make a great decoration for a wedding table, so quick and easy.